Check it out. Alright guys, and welcome back to my channel where we do reviews on all sorts of cool products, hotels, and even make money online programs. But today we're going to go ahead and do a review on my new under the desk elliptical machine. I do want to say thank you to the company for sending it out for reviews, so let's go and actually check it out. Let's see. Got the user manual right there. So let's go and actually check it out. So here's what it looks like right out of the box. Looks like we might have to assemble just like two pieces. Put that there. And this one. It also does come with a screwdriver for the install, remote control, power cable, and then it looks like the screws. Cool. And if you want to pair it with like some cool like bands to kind of do different exercises, you have them on here. So you have like heavy, medium, and light. So usually you're able to kind of just do some cool stretching arm exercises with those. As well as these right here. So let's go ahead and actually set this up. All right, so we're gonna go ahead and install it, and you're just gonna wanna push these right into here. They should line up just like that. We'll put these. I did bring my like screwdriver just to make it a little easier. Cool. Then we'll go ahead and do that with the bottom one. Cool, good to go. And then we'll go ahead and do that with this one. And we'll just go ahead and make sure these line up to the holes, just like that. I'm gonna put the screws on here. All right. And then same thing with the bottom one. Perfect. So now it is good to go. So now we're gonna go ahead and put some batteries on this one. This one does require 2 AAA batteries. All right, and then last but not least, the power cable will just hook up right here and then just to your outlets. All right, so now I'm just gonna go ahead and put it over there by the sofa so we can actually test it out. All right, so we got it hooked up as you can see. So we're just gonna go ahead and hit start so we can check it out. And it does have different modes, functions, direction, and speed. Now I'm just gonna go ahead and hit start. And there it goes. Wanted to change the speed. Checked it out. That's pretty good. Let's hit direction. Look at that. Very, very cool. But like I said, it does also come with the remote. So let's go ahead and test it out with the remote. All right, so let's go ahead and actually test this out. It's pretty cool. You could just be watching TV. This is something I'd probably gift like my grandparents or something like that. Someone that maybe doesn't get a whole lot of movement at the house. So this can definitely help. So let's go ahead and do it with the remote. Let's put up the speed a little bit. It's pretty cool. So the max on here is 15, which is where it's at right now. Doesn't make a lot of noise, which I do like. All right, now let's do the direction. So let's make it go backwards now. That was a cool feature. Oh, there it goes. Super simple to use. So what's cool is you can definitely, still use this and you know, you still get some work done if you like to watch videos on your iPad or even on your TV or even read a book. So super, super cool. And you just sit up to, and it keeps track of everything on here: distance, time, calories. All right, so if you guys found this video useful, make sure you guys like and subscribe. It definitely helps out the channel. But if you guys are looking for a new portable, smaller elliptical machine, definitely look into this one. I'm gonna leave the link in the description so y'all can get yours.